Hi guys, welcome to Scripted Success Master. We are here at chapter 5 and we will learn insert menu today. Okay, let's insert menu has options to insert multiple options inside the Google Sheet. So we'll go one by one. Okay, I have selected one cell here for a reference. Click on a insert. First option is insert a cell and shift right, and another is insert a cell and shift down. Okay. Insert cell and shift right is obvious. It will add one cell and move whatever cells are there from right onwards. So it will shift to the right. Same thing. If I click on insert cell and shift down, it will just shift down the whatever data it has to the down. Okay, I'll go Control Z. Next is rows. Insert one row above, insert one row below. So as this location is D3, so if I click on insert one row above, so it will add one row here and will move whole this row down. So I just click it here. I can click here one row above. Similar thing, one row below. It will happen like this. Okay. And next is columns. It's the same. Insert one column left, so it just add one column at a left, and insert a column at right, it just add one column at right. Okay, now these three functions like cells, rows and columns can be checked from right click also. So you can right click on the column, so cell, and you can check it here. Insert one row above, one column left, and insert cell. So similar options are there available on the right click function also. Okay. Next is insert a sheet. So you can insert a sheet from here also like this, or you have an option here also, you can insert a sheets from here. Okay, next option is insert pre-built tables, charts and pivot tables. We will cover these options in upcoming sessions because these are too vast to cover in this session. Okay, next option is image. Image has a two options: insert image inside the cell or insert image over the cell. So this is a cell. So it will ask you to, do you want to insert the cell inside this or insert the image just over this sheet. So I will show you both the options. Just select the cell first, insert the sheet, sorry, insert image, click on insert image in the cell. It will give you options to select the photo from these options. Let's say webcam, link, photos, Google Drive or Google Image. Google Image is something you can directly search the image and insert. I'll show you from upload. Upload helps you to get the images from your computer or laptop. So just select the photo, open it, let it upload. So what will happen? Image will just show it here and it will take the time as per the size of the image. So let's wait to upload the image. So benefit of this option is nothing but the image inside the sheet will adjust the dimension as per the cell dimension. So if you increase the decrease the cell dimension, it will automatically adjust the image option. So if I reduce it, it will get reduced. Okay, this is the first option. I'll just delete it. Next option is over the cell. So it just same process, just select the photo and what will it say? It will just upload the image over this spreadsheet. So even if you change the dimensions of the cells, it will not affect the image dimension. Let it upload. The upload time will depend on what's the size of the image, so it will show immediately once you upload the image. So let it be visible. So see, so this is just like this. Once you click it, you can adjust the dimension like this, but it's not inside the cell. So that's the option you can get into the Excel. So what you can do to fit this image inside the cell, just select the cell first, select the image, click on these three buttons and select the option as put image inside the cell. So it just go inside the cell as the first option I show it. So if you change the cell dimension, the image dimensions also will change. This is the best option to insert the image whenever you are making any tracker or any specification details of the product. So product photo will not get changed or change its shape until you change it. Okay, I'll just delete it. Next option is insert a function. Function is nothing but the formula you want to insert inside that cell. So if you want to do it from here, or you just directly put it from the formula bar, that is fine. So you can do it like sum, or one option is insert function and select the sum function here. So it will auto populate it here, and you can select the dimensions or select the cells to get the option, so to get the answer. Okay, this is simple as that. So there are multiple functions in the Excel or the Google Sheet. You can try each one by yourself. Okay, next is link. I'll go again, sorry. Next is link option. There is shortcut as a control K to insert a link. Let's say if you want to insert a link here, I even if I can type it like www.google.com. This is the first option where you can just simply click it and you can have the Google option here. What else you can do? You just do it. If you want to, if you don't want to disclose the website name here, you can have an option as a insert the link. So insert the link. I'll just show you like a shortcut. You just click on a control K, so you will get a two options, text and the link. So what you should do, link option, you should copy paste the link, and here you can put any name where you want to put. So I'll just put it as a link and enter it. So front side name is link, but once you click it here, you will get the option to select the link. It's as simple as that. Okay, I'll just delete it. Next option is checkbox. Checkbox is nothing but it's just a tick mark option inside the cell. So once you click it, it will allow you to click on the cell. So once you click it, the value or a bar is showing true value. Once you unclick it, so it's showing as a false. This is most important point whenever you are putting the functions inside the cell and you want to control whole function on the basis of checklist. I will cover that option later on whenever we will cover checklist option in upcoming sessions. Next is drop down. So once you click on a drop down option, so function will give you options to put a drop down like this. So option 1, option 2, another option you can select it here, and once you click you can edit the names also, and once you click on a done, it will show you as a drop down. So drop down name you can select it, the drop down, and you can have it as a function in the drop down. So where it is helpful, I'll tell you. So I have these many designations inside the company, but what happens once whenever I want to put a formula, and let's say some formula or spelling mistake is there, so I'll just remove two letters and it will not match if someone else is also sales executive or a software engineer here. So what we should do, either we can have select, we can select it, go to insert, go to drop down. So what will happen, function will select the drop downs options automatically and just click on it. So what will happen, whenever you want to change the designation, you can just directly select it from here rather than typing it and having a spelling mistakes inside this. Okay, so this is the most beautiful option in the Excel to add a drop down. I will cover the most of the part in upcoming chapters. This is just a introduction. Next point is emoji. This is straightforward. You can insert the emoji inside the cell. This is good one. Insert a smart chips inside the cell. So I'll just select the random cell here. I'll just call it as a rating for that employee. Let's say instead of putting rating like 5, 6, 2, 10, instead of that, what I can do, I just select the cell, go insert, click on the smart chips, click on the rating. So it will smartly show you star rating like this. So you can select this rating from here. 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, you can change it from here. Okay. Next option is smart chips. May lot many options are there, like place. You want to put a place name, you can put it like some place in India, like India Gate or something. You just select it here. It just randomly show the link for the Google Map. So you can click here and go directly. You can jump directly to the Google Map. So this is the function for a maps or a place. Or one more is calendar events. Also you can put some file location here from your drive, and lot many options are there. You can try out by yourself. Last two options are comments and note. So comment we already covered in last session. Comment, once you click on a comment, it will give you the option to put a comment or tag some team member to have to add it as a command. So let's say I'll put it as hr@gmail.com. So I can assign that task to HR for particular location. So I can assign it and assign, click on assign. So the mail will trigger to this email for assigning the task. Okay. And next is adding a note. Please please note that note is for yourself. You can't add formula or any function in this. So note is just a plain text. Let's say we can put it as write rating in star format, and you can just click left. So click anywhere. Once you click here, you will automatically see the comment. Okay, it's just simple as that. But comment may you can't help another, or you can tag any other person. It's just a plain text format, and comment or the text is for you only. Okay. Okay, now we have covered full insert function as a chapter 5. Thanks for watching. We will cover toolbar and remaining menus in upcoming chapters. Thanks for watching.